When I came here a few minutes ago, Eddie, be blessed, asked me what topic I'm going to speak to. I told him 2 minutes ago, I don't know. And honestly, I meant what I say, I don't know. I told him a secret, don't tell it to everybody. I speak a lot. Hundreds of speeches a year, all over the world, Baruch Hashem. And I usually don't prepare my speeches. For one simple reason, and I think I'm right. I told him, if a doctor is in call, somebody called him, he said, hello doctor, his son is critically sick, come see what he needs. He takes a shot, he puts a medicine, he comes with the shot. And he gives him the shot. He's not a doctor, he's a killer, he's stupid. What do you mean when you give him? You prepare the medicine before he comes, you check, you have to see which kind of, each person needs different medication. Same thing. I don't prepare it, I prepare something, you need something else. I don't give what I am ready for. I don't give what I have, what to say. I'm trying to give you what you need to hear. The medicine that you need, not the medicine that I have in my pocket. Could be nice, sweet medicine, but this is not what you need, boys. I think the best thing is, you see me a rabbi, thank God, and a famous rabbi. In Israel today, they put my tapes every day in the radio. Every day. I was not born a rabbi. I was like you. Before everybody here was born, I was in pilot school in Israel Army, a successful one. In my life, why I went to the army, you think? Why I went to pilot school? It's the hardest school in the world, maybe. Why I went to the army, pilot school, pilot, why? Today I came to deal with the helicopter, 15 minutes from New York here. So the guy asked me over there, somebody that invited me to come, he said, "This is the first time you're flying?" I told him I was a pilot before the pilot was born. I told the pilot, I was sitting next to him, I told him I was a pilot before him. Anyway, all my life, I grew up in a neighborhood, Syrian neighborhood, poor section, but poor, and we didn't know nothing about Torah. I was the only one in my community, the only one. I went to yeshiva. I told my parents I am going to yeshiva. They sent my uncle to speak to me to get me out of it. Everybody 13 years old in my age, in my time, in the age of 13, they were finishing elementary school, going to work. My uncle had connections with the government. He found me a good job to sell newspaper in 5th Avenue in Israel. And Shuk Mahlayuda, paper to sell in the shuk, to sit down. I told my father, 13 years old, I am not going to do it. I don't want to work, not to sell, not to buy. I want to look for the truth. I want to look for God. I don't believe I came to this world to eat, to get married, to sleep, and to die. That's not the reason. I did not feel something was missing in understanding what's happening around me. Come here, there's too much room here. And since 13 years old, I have poems like this I wrote to God. talking to Hashem, looking for Hashem. When everybody in my age was looking for which movie to go, which girl to take, I was looking for the truth, not for the Torah. I was looking for the truth all my life. I was not born religious. And you believe it or not, I almost became a Druze. You know what a Druze? Druzim. It's kind of, in Israel they have kind of, it's not Jewish. They're not Christian, they're not Jewish. They're not Arabs. They have thousands. Druze. Listen. No, it's very interesting.
Northern Israel.
They serve with us in the army. They're against the Arabs. They live in Golan, in the Galilee. They have many villages, Druzim. Anyway, I was thinking for the truth all my life. One day, when I was in the army, I was in a course. I took a course in the army to do something. And my school, and my class in the army was many Druzim, different religion. I said to myself, like Judaism claim that this is the truth, the Druzes claim this is the truth. So I said, let me find out. I want to know what the Druze, this kind of, another world, what they believe, another nation, another group, what they believe. Maybe they have also something to offer. Maybe I was your age. I went to the Druze tent. I sat with them. We were the same class. I said to them, hello, Druzim. They said, yes. I was good soldier. I said, I want to know what you believe on. I want to study I want to be Druze. I want to be like you. They were very happy, pleased. Welcome. Tfaddal. They talk Arabic. They said to me, welcome, be Druze. I asked the Druzes, this was the first steps I was looking for the truth. It's very interesting, I was not looking for Torah and not for Judaism. I was looking for the truth. Who created the sun, the moon, my soul, my eyes? Who created all this? I did not believe what they taught me in high school in Israel. When they taught me that I come from monkey, I didn't believe it. I need a proof for that. In school, they taught us in high school, your father is a monkey, your mother is a monkeys, and the children smoke monkeys. This is what they taught us in high school. In Hebrew, they say, Abba kof, Ima kofa, הילדים צ'יטות קטנים, צ'יטות, smoke kofim. This is what they teach in school. Anyway, this I couldn't get to my mind. That means the whole world is a big zoo. And with the animals. It's not a joke. Most of Jews in Israel believe that.